So you want to take a small screwdriver or a trim tool, and you want to take this little plastic piece right here inside the handle area. Just pop it up, set it aside, and then you have a Torx bit head in there. So it's a T20 star or Torx, and you're going to remove these two screws. Now there's one more, and it's kind of hidden. So I'm going to show you with a mirror where it's located. So I'll follow the handle right back to the bottom, and then you'll see it right there. And that's another T20 Torx. So the T20 Torx screwdriver, and remove that screw. Now you can just pull up on this handle, or you take a trim tool to pull up on it. Follow it all the way around. Now we can flip it over and unplug the master switch. Pull on that tab. Pull down on this tab. And we're going to take the mirror one off too. Now we have the control in our hand. Confirm you have the right connectors. Then I'm going to start just pushing these little tabs on this bezel out of the way and lifting at the same time. This side's done. Turn it around, do the same to this side. So we'll take our new one, reverse it, and then just click it down in. I'm going to reverse procedure, connect this connector on the mirror switch, the first window switch, and then the back one for the locks. And you can see there's no tabs other than the 3 down here and 1 in the front, so we're clear to just place it flat over where it sits, and then just push straight down. Now out of the 3 mounting screws, the 2 longest ones go here and the short one goes down there. I'm going to do the 2 longest ones first. Close that little trim piece. And the last one,